Hello people, let's just jump straight into this. So we'll use this just to briefly explain how masks work, and then with this we're gonna be putting this guy into this image and blend it using layer masks. So let's jump straight into it. Now I don't know where my image has gone, what I just had, which is fantastic. Hello, why are you hiding? Oh, whatever, we'll just make a new one. Right, so Alt backspace, that'll just fill the foreground. We'll create a new layer down here. Alt backspace, fill with yellow. Let's flip them around because that's a bit bright. So we'll create a layer mask with this on this one here. I went a bit quick there. Oh, vector mask. Okay, I thought it was always called a layer mask, but I stand corrected. So we'll create a vector mask on this top layer here. Now, anything you paint black, you basically paint from black to white, and black to white is basically like your opacity, how much of the underlying layer will show through. So if we paint with black on this mask, it will fully show this layer. It will show this layer through. Right. Now if we paint white on this, it will then hide this layer and show the top layer through. So black will reveal the underneath layer, white will hide it. It's best to just show you on an actual image. So let's align everything up just to get it looking a bit pretty. Control and T to get the transform tools up. We'll bring the opacity down so we can see what we're doing, and we're just going to line up the horizon lines together. So we'll see these lines, we'll get them there. We'll give it a little bit of a there, that's about right. Then we'll bring the opacity up. Now we're going to apply a layer mask to this layer, and we're going to paint with black on this layer mask, and this will start hiding this top layer. Make sure you clicked on the mask, because if you click on the image it'll paint on the actual image. We don't want that, so make sure you clicked on that, and this will start hiding the image. And if we just click, hold shift and click, it will create a straight line. And there we go. That easy. We've replaced the sky. It's the basics of layer masking. Thank you for watching. I look forward to the next one.